In order to both declare and initialize a string in C, we type in char followed by variable name. We'll call it B. Use the opening and closing square brackets, and then we equate it to any string. Remember that the value of the string should be in between two double quotation marks. Here, I'll call the value Octran Technologies. Now you might wonder, why are we using char and then these opening and closing square brackets in order to type a string? The reason is because a string is often considered an array or a list of characters sequentially. So it's this character, and after that this character, and after that this character, so on and so forth. If I want to only declare and not instantiate a variable, I will end up with an array of a char, which is not considered a string in itself. If I do this, I'll have to manually input the maximum size of this array, and I'll have to manually index each of these particular elements in the array and initialize it with a variable. In order to print a string to the terminal, we use the printf method with two parentheses and a semicolon, and within the two parentheses, between double quotes, we type %s. This tells the compiler that we will substitute this %s for a string variable. To provide that string variable as an argument, type in comma and then type b without the opening and closing third brackets. Now if you save the file, then compile this, and then we run this program, the value of the string Octran Technologies is printed to the terminal.